Okay, this is part 4. Trading currencies or basically any market. Uh, Simple works. Okay, what it means is that the markets are very simple entities. Okay, it's run by supply and demand. Okay, now your progression as a normal trader is when you start learning new stuff, you start adding a lot of complicated stuff, certain indicators, complicated indicators, having complicated rules, which is okay, it's just a progression. But at the end of the day, once you become simple, and you realize simple is the one, you would be with the best traders in the world on this. Okay, the best traders in the world have simple systems. Okay, simple methods, right? Which is time and tested. Okay, now as you go forward in this, you will learn a lot of things, a lot of indicators. There are thousands of indicators out there. But you have to pick the ones that are good for you. You cannot use all 1,000 of them or whatever. Okay, you have to pick the ones that are good for you, that are useful to you. Okay, simple works. Remember that. Okay. Question and answers. Right. Now there are 4 stages in the trader's life. Now, basically, look, the first stage. Okay, you're excited. Okay, you've gone through a course. You've listened to me talk and okay, or you listen to anybody. You're excited. You're gonna earn shitloads of money, right? You're gonna take this $4 trillion. You're gonna get 100%, and that's it. You're gonna retire on some South Island. Okay. You look at the successful traders. So you're ready. You open a broker account. You put in $10,000. You know that okay, I'm gonna turn this 10,000 into 30,000 in a month. So what do? You on the TV. You happen to view or to hear someone talking, a trader talking, right? And he says the euro will go higher. So yes, you agree, the euro will go higher, you place a first trade. Now, you don't care whether you have much experience in trading. You don't care whether you have systems to follow. You just look at the chart and say, okay, I've taught this. Okay, you don't understand money management, risk management. You don't give a damn. You're just gonna okay, one full lot, and let's fire off. Let's go. Now you're just excited on your first trade. Listen to this. If you are lucky, you will lose money. Because, and if you are unlucky, you make money. Why? Because when you lose money on a bad thing, you will learn. When you make money on a bad thing, you will never learn. And then you make money. Let's say, okay, you make money. There are 2 stages here. You make money, you're like feeling, I am a genius, right? I'm the king of the world. I must be the best trader in the world to make money, right? I double my account or whatever, right? And you realize, okay, now if I can turn 10,000 into 5 plus another 5,000, I make a profit of 5,000 or whatever. What happens if I have $100,000 account and I would have made 50,000, right? So what happens? You mortgage your house. You borrow money. You're blinded by success. Okay? You start to double up on your whatever. You start to risk shitload of money, right? And so the second stage, you try. Now, if you have lost money, you will learn. Okay, this second stage is for those people that haven't learned. Okay, so what happens? You have this shitload of money. You borrow from your friends. You mortgage the house. Okay, you have collected this 100,000. Now, this 100,000 is money you cannot afford to lose, but you're confident because you're a genius, right? You must be the best trader in the world. So what happens? You place a few more trades. And then what happens? The market starts to turn and you start to lose money, right? You not only lost your initial profit, but you also are losing your account. It's going into negative, right? Now at this point, you say, okay, I cannot be wrong because I'm a genius, right? Then you keep on losing money. You don't get out because you don't place the stop loss. Now stop loss is basically a level at which you say, okay, enough is enough. I'm wrong in my analysis. I'm wrong in my trade. I'm gonna get out, right? But because you're a genius, you must be right, right? So the market still continues to go your way. You lose half your account. Some people realize that they are in shit. I'm not kidding. I have been there, ladies and gentlemen. I have been there many years ago. Right? I understand exactly how it feels. If you're lucky, you will learn fast. You'll close the account and salvage as much money as you can. If you're stupid, you just let it ride till it blows up your account. Still, a person called margin will call you. It's called a margin call. Margin call it's a place or it's a term used when brokers call you when your equity in your account cannot sustain the position anymore because of leverage, right? So they do a margin call, then you either pay up, top up, if not we're gonna close. So if you can't pay up, you close and you might even lose 80% of the account. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna blame people. The person I learned from is stupid, or the market is purposely moving against you, or stuff like that. But it's your fault because you didn't learn. Okay? So if you've lost money in the beginning, if you have learned, you will move on. Now, others suffer Nick Leeson syndrome. They try to hide their losses, right? And hope and pray when it drops to 50%, they hope and pray that it will turn their way, right? It will become better. If it was so simple, all of us will be rich or billionaire, right? Billionaires. Some people double up. Many quit at this stage and never trade again, although they have learned valuable lessons. They don't want to trade anymore. Well, this is dangerous because your account can be lost, and more importantly, your confidence, right? Now, the third stage is after you have decided, okay, enough is enough. I've learned my lesson. Now, let's get back to the actual form of learning how to trade. So, you have experienced ups and downs of the market. Okay, your respect for the market now. Respect of the market is very important. Okay. You need guidance, so you say, okay, I'm going to attend a real course. I'm going to follow a real trader. You attend seminars, you do your research, right? You understand the risk management, and you try out different strategies and systems, and find the ones that suit you better, or the one that suits you the best, right? The fourth stage now, you have been developed as a trader. You're consistent making money. You pick up more profits than your losses. And basically, you're more confident, you're making more money, right? You learn your lesson. Now, that's what happens in a trader's life. Basically, okay, my time's up. Basically, you become more confident, you basically make more money, and you're more sensible about it. You're more experienced. Okay, this is the end of this part. The next part is coming up real soon.